Next, while we're getting ready for Halloween, with some cookie ghosts and cookie mummies. I'll show you how. Okay, let's talk ingredients. First, you'll need everybody's favorite peanut-shaped sandwich cookie, or if there's an allergy concern, some breakfast biscuits will work as well. Some white chocolate, some darker chocolate, mini chocolate chips, or a candy axe. Line a cookie sheet with wax paper and we're ready to get started. Your first step is to melt the white chocolate. Now I'm using a candy coating here because I like the consistency, but you're welcome to use white chocolate chips. Just be sure to add about a tablespoon of vegetable shortening or butter to give it that same consistency. It also makes a difference when you bite into the cookie. It's not quite as hard. Next, we're going to coat our cookie with the melted white chocolate. So maybe turn it over in there, get it nice and well coated. And then I like to use a plastic fork with the two middle tines broken out, just because it allows a little more of the excess chocolate to drip off the bottom. Place it on your cookie sheet that's been lined with wax paper, and then you're ready for the next step. Now before the white chocolate sets up, you want to drop in your little mini chocolate chips for eyes and a mouth. That'll help them stick to the cookie once everything dries. If you're really particular, you can use a toothpick to kind of move them around a little bit and get the expression you want. Now we're moving on to our mummy cookies. I've melted my semi-sweet chocolate with a tablespoon of shortening to give it the right consistency. A couple tips about chocolate. I usually start with about 45 seconds to a minute for the first cup, but after that, you only want to microwave it for about 15 to 20 seconds at a time because it burns very easily. And once you burn it, you can't go back. Also, never ever add water to chocolate. It'll seize up and it'll be useless. And again, while the chocolate's still a little bit tacky, we're going to add our candy eyes. We want them to dry with those in place so they've got a better chance of staying on. You can allow these to dry at room temperature, or if you're in a hurry, put them in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Next, you grab your leftover white chocolate. You might have to reheat it a little bit. Load up a spoon, and then just drizzle it on the mummies for mummy wrappings. And that's all there is to it. Like and subscribe below. Happy Halloween.